SAP Product Costing Online Training. Introduction to SAP Product Costing. SAP Product Costing is a module within the SAP ERP system that helps businesses track and analyze the costs associated with producing their goods and services. It provides a comprehensive view of all the factors that contribute to product cost, including direct materials, the raw materials and components that are used to create the finished product. Direct labor, the wages and benefits paid to employees who work directly on the production of the product. Overhead costs, the indirect costs associated with manufacturing, such as rent, utilities, and depreciation of equipment. SAP Product Costing offers a variety of features and functionalities that can be used to calculate the cost of individual products. This is essential for pricing products accurately and making informed decisions about which products to produce and sell. Track and analyze production costs. SAP Product Costing provides detailed reports that show how costs are incurred at different stages of the production process. This information can be used to identify areas where costs can be reduced. Allocate costs to different cost centers. This helps to ensure that costs are accurately charged to the departments or activities that are responsible for them. Perform variance analysis. This compares actual costs to budgeted costs and identifies any significant differences. This information can be used to investigate and resolve cost problems. Benefits of using SAP Product Costing. Improved accuracy and transparency of product costing. Better decision-making based on accurate cost data. Reduced production costs. Improved inventory management. Enhanced profitability. Here are some of the key components of SAP Product Costing. Bill of materials. BOM. This is a list of all the materials and components that are required to produce a finished product. Routing. This is a detailed description of the steps involved in the production process. Cost estimates. These are forecasts of the costs associated with producing a product. Actual costing. This is the recording of the actual costs incurred during production. Variance analysis. This is the comparison of actual costs to budgeted costs. If you are considering implementing SAP Product Costing, it is important to first consult with a qualified SAP consultant to ensure that the system is right for your business. Features of SAP Product Costing. SAP Product Costing offers a robust suite of features for accurate and insightful cost control and management. Here's a breakdown of its key functionalities. Cost calculation. Standard costing. Define and utilize predetermined cost rates for materials, labor, and overheads for efficient cost estimation and variance analysis. Actual costing. Capture real-time cost data from transactions across various modules like procurement, production, and inventory management for accurate cost monitoring. Multi-level costing. Calculate costs at various levels, from individual components to finished products, offering a granular view of cost drivers. Cost roll-up. Aggregate costs from lower levels to higher levels, providing clear visibility into overall product and project costs. Cost planning and analysis. Cost estimator tool. Create and update cost estimates based on bills of materials, routing information, and historical data for informed pricing decisions. Variance analysis. Compare actual costs against standard or planned costs, identify cost deviations, and investigate their root causes. What is simulations? Simulate different cost scenarios by adjusting price assumptions, production volumes, or resource allocations to optimize decisions. Product life cycle costing. PLC predict and understand costs throughout a product's entire life cycle, from design to disposal, facilitating better sourcing, production, and pricing strategies. Flexibility and integration. Flexible costing structures. Define and adapt costing structures to accommodate diverse product types, costing methods, and organizational requirements. Seamless integration. Integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules like ERP, CRM, and SCM for real-time data exchange and streamlined workflows. Open system. Interfaces with external costing systems and data sources for increased flexibility and data completeness. Customization. Extensible framework allows for tailored configurations and additional functionalities to meet specific needs. Advanced capabilities. Real-time cost calculation with SAP HANA leverages the power of SAP HANA in-memory database for faster and more accurate cost calculations. Machine learning-based cost prediction. Utilize machine learning algorithms to predict future costs and identify potential cost risks. Mobile access. Access cost data and reports on mobile devices for enhanced decision-making agility. What is product cost in SAP? Product costing is a tool used in SAP for planning costs and establishing material prices. It helps in estimating the cost of goods sold manufactured and COGS of each for each product unit. How is production cost calculated in SAP? Costs are calculated based on the total quantity and the price of each item in a calculation version. Total cost is the sum of the cost per total quantity and the overhead costs calculated using a costing sheet, if one is selected for your calculation version. What is costing type in SAP? Cost types enable you to assign different costs to a material for different purposes. The cost type inventory cost values inventory and goods movements for the material, while you can use additional cost types, for example, to plan for future changes in costs without affecting valuation. How is production cost calculated in SAP? Costs are calculated based on the total quantity and the price of each item in a calculation version. Total cost is the sum of the cost per total quantity and the overhead costs calculated using a costing sheet, if one is selected for your calculation version. What are product cost collectors in SAP? Definition. Cost object in product cost by period that collects the periodic actual costs incurred in the production of a material. When you use a product cost collector, the product is the main cost object. Why choose SAP Product Costing? Choosing SAP Product Costing can be a strategic decision for your business, offering a range of benefits compared to other solutions. Here are some key reasons why organizations opt for SAP Product Costing. Enhanced accuracy and visibility. Granular cost tracking. Track costs at various levels, including materials, labor, and overhead, for precise product pricing and profitability analysis. Real-time insights. Gain access to real-time cost data, enabling quick identification of cost variations and prompt corrective action. Improved inventory management. Make informed decisions on inventory levels based on accurate cost analysis. Streamlined operations and efficiency. Integrated processes. Seamless integration with other SAP modules, such as procurement, production planning, and sales and distribution, for streamlined data flow and reduced redundancy. Automated calculations. Automate cost calculations and allocations, saving time and minimizing errors. Flexible configuration. Adapt the system to your specific costing needs and business processes. Improved decision-making and profitability. Strategic cost management. Analyze cost drivers and identify areas for cost reduction or optimization. Accurate pricing and margins. Set optimal pricing strategies based on accurate cost insights, maximizing profitability. Competitive advantage. Gain a competitive edge by offering competitively priced products while maintaining healthy margins. Additional advantages. Scalability. Adapts to growing business needs and increasing product complexity. Compliance. helps ensure compliance with relevant accounting and reporting standards. Support and expertise, leverage SAP's comprehensive support and training resources. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and existing infrastructure before making a decision. SAP product costing may not be the ideal solution for small businesses or those with limited IT resources. To make an informed decision, I recommend evaluating your current costing process and its limitations, comparing SAP product costing with other available solutions, consulting with SAP experts to assess your specific needs and compatibility. What are the uses of SAP product costing? SAP Product Costing, also known as COPC, is a powerful module within the SAP ERP system that serves various purposes related to cost planning, analysis, and pricing. Here are some of its key uses. 1. Product cost estimation. Calculate the cost of goods sold, COGS, for each product, both planned and actual. Simulate future product costs at different production volumes and material prices. Analyze cost variances between planned and actual costs to identify areas for improvement. Set cost targets and track progress towards achieving them. 2. Material pricing. Determine accurate selling prices for products based on their cost and desired profit margin. Manage transfer pricing between different entities within the organization. Monitor price fluctuations for raw materials and adjust product prices accordingly. 3. Cost management. Identify and control cost drivers throughout the product lifecycle. Optimize production processes to reduce costs. Make informed decisions about sourcing, outsourcing, and product portfolio management. Improve profitability by optimizing cost structures. 4. Product lifecycle costing. Track and analyze costs throughout the entire product lifecycle, from idea generation to end of life. Support new product development by providing accurate cost estimates early in the process. Identify cost reduction opportunities across the entire value chain. Make informed decisions about product discontinuation based on life cycle costs. 5. Integration with other modules. COPC seamlessly integrates with other SAP modules such as production planning, PP, material management, and sales and distribution, SD. This allows for real-time data flow and consistent cost information across different departments. What are the challenges of SAP product costing? SAP product costing, while powerful, presents certain challenges for businesses to navigate. Here are some of the key ones. Complexity. Intricate configuration. Setting up accurate costing models requires precise configuration of cost elements, costing types, activity rates, and integration with other modules like production planning and procurement. Errors in configuration can lead to inaccurate costing. Multiple costing methods. SAP supports various costing methods, standard, actual, activity-based, suited to different scenarios. Choosing the right method and adapting it to specific needs can be complex. Data accuracy. Costing relies heavily on accurate data from various sources. Inconsistent or missing data can significantly impact cost calculations. Integration and maintenance. Integration challenges. SAP product costing needs to seamlessly integrate with other modules like production planning, materials management, and sales and distribution. Maintaining data consistency across these modules can be challenging. Frequent updates. SAP regularly releases updates and patches. Updating the system and adapting costing models to new functionalities can be time-consuming and require specialized expertise. User expertise. Effective use of SAP product costing requires trained personnel who understand the system's intricacies and costing methodologies. Finding and retaining such talent can be challenging. Additional challenges. Coping with product variety. Businesses with diverse product portfolios may struggle to create and maintain costing models for each product line. Addressing byproducts and co-products. Accurately costing joint products and byproducts in complex production processes can be challenging. Meeting regulatory requirements. Businesses need to ensure their costing models comply with relevant accounting and tax regulations. Overcoming these challenges requires investing in training and expertise, building a team with in-depth knowledge of SAP product costing and related accounting principles, implementing robust data governance, ensuring data accuracy and consistency across all modules, partnering with experienced consultants, seeking guidance from SAP specialists to configure and customize the system effectively. Adopting an agile approach, adapting costing models and processes to accommodate changes in business needs and regulations. Best practices of SAP product costing. Regular updates. Update your master data regularly to reflect changes in prices, materials, and processes. Standardization. Standardize your master data as much as possible to make it easier to maintain and use. Cost component structure. Define your cost components clearly. Clearly define your cost components so that everyone involved in the costing process understands what they mean. Use activity-based costing. ABC. Consider using ABC to allocate costs to products more accurately. ABC assigns costs to activities and then allocates those activities to products based on their consumption of the activities. Regularly review and update your cost component structure. Review and update your cost component structure regularly to ensure that it remains relevant and accurate. Costing variance. Use costing variance for different purposes. Use costing variance to calculate different costs for the same product, such as standard costs, actual costs, and planning costs. Clearly identify and document your costing variance. Clearly identify and document your costing variance so that everyone involved in the costing process understands what they are used for. Cost estimates. Regularly run cost estimates. Run cost estimates regularly to ensure that you have up-to-date product cost information. Review and analyze cost estimates. Review and analyze your cost estimates to identify any areas where you can improve your cost efficiency. Integration with other SAP modules. Integrate your product costing with other SAP modules, such as sales and marketing, production, and finance. This will help to ensure that your product costs are used throughout the organization. Training. Train your employees on SAP product costing. Train your employees on SAP product costing so that they understand how to use the system effectively. Additional tips. Use version control for your costing models. This will help you to track changes and revert to previous versions if necessary. Document your costing processes. This will help to ensure that your costing processes are consistent and repeatable. Regularly review your costing practices. Review your costing practices regularly to identify any areas where you can improve. Advantages of SAP Product Costing Online Training. Advantages of SAP Product Costing Online Training. Flexibility and convenience. Learn at your own pace. Online training platforms allow you to access the training materials and complete modules at your own convenience, fitting it around your schedule. Reduce travel and time costs. Eliminate the need to travel to physical training sessions, saving time and money. Location independence. Access the training from anywhere with an internet connection, making it ideal for geographically dispersed teams or remote learners. Enhanced learning experience. Interactive and engaging content. Online courses often utilize multimedia elements like videos, simulations, and interactive exercises to keep you engaged and make learning more effective. Self-assessment and progress tracking. Track your progress through tests, quizzes, and assignments, and identify areas where you need more focus. Support and access to resources. Many online platforms offer instructors and forums for Q&A and discussions, providing ongoing support and access to additional resources. Specific advantages for SAP Product Costing. Improved job prospects. Mastering SAP Product Costing is a valuable skill in demand across various industries. Online training provides a convenient and effective way to gain this expertise, enhancing your resume and career opportunities. Better decision-making. Understanding product costs through SAP helps businesses make informed pricing, production, and resource allocation decisions. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is often more affordable than traditional in-person courses, making it a viable option for individuals and organizations. Focus on practical applications. Online courses can prioritize practical exercises and real-world scenarios, giving you hands-on experience with SAP product costing in a simulated environment. Additional points. Variety of training options. Choose from different course formats, including instructor-led virtual sessions, self-paced modules, and blended learning. Update your skills. Stay current with the latest features and functionalities of SAP product costing through online training options. Build your network. Connect with other professionals in the field through online forums and communities. Career opportunities in SAP product costing. The world of SAP product costing offers a diverse and rewarding career landscape. From technical roles like developers and consultants configuring and customizing systems, to analytical positions like cost accountants and managers interpreting data and driving profitability, there's something for everyone. As companies seek to optimize costs and gain deeper insights, demand for skilled professionals continues to rise. Whether you're drawing to project implementation, ongoing system maintenance, or strategic decision-making, delve into SAP product costing and carve your path in a field that's crucial for modern business success. Salary expectation in SAP product costing. Determining your salary expectation for an SAP product costing role in India depends on several factors, including your experience level. Freshers, 0 to 2 years average range of 3.5 rupees 5.5 lakhs per annum, LPA. Junior mid-level, 3 to 5 years average range of 5.5 rupees 7.5 LPA. Mid-senior level, 5 to 8 years average range of 7.5 rupees 10 LPA. Senior level, 8 plus years average range of 10 rupees 15 LPA. Your skill set. Technical skills, expertise in SAP core module, costing concepts, variance analysis, and integration with other modules can boost your salary. Soft skills, excellent communication, analytical, and problem-solving skills are valuable. Company and location. Multinational companies and major cities generally offer higher salaries compared to smaller firms and less developed locations. Industry, manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and automotive sectors typically offer higher pay. Why choose Proexcellency for SAP product costing online training? Expertise and experience. Industry experienced instructors. Proexcellency boasts a team of experienced SAP consultants and trainers who have practical knowledge of the product costing module in real-world scenarios. This means you'll be learning from professionals who understand the challenges and complexities of product costing in various industries. Focus on product costing. Unlike some training providers who offer a broader range of SAP courses, Proexcellency specializes in SAP product costing. This means their curriculum is specifically designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in this particular area. Course structure and delivery. Comprehensive curriculum. Proexcellency SAP Product Costing online training covers all the essential topics, from basic concepts and configuration to advanced costing techniques and reporting. Their courses cater to various skill levels, ensuring you get the right level of depth and detail. Hands-on approach. Proexcellency emphasizes practical learning with hands-on exercises and real-world case studies. This allows you to apply your theoretical knowledge to actual scenarios and gain valuable experience working with the software. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers various delivery modes, including self-paced online learning, live online sessions, and blended learning, a combination of online and offline sessions. This allows you to choose the format that best suits your learning style and schedule. Additional benefits. Certification preparation. Proexcellency's courses are designed to prepare you for relevant SAP certifications, such as the C_TCO12_67 or C_TCO1_66 exams. This can enhance your resume and increase your job prospects. Thank you.